now I'm gonna put some black pepper on the top of it, just to top it off. Alright, I'm just gonna sprinkle some black pepper over the top of it. Alright. Not too much. Alright, there you go. Alright. That's it, my friends. So it's done. It's ready. So I'm just gonna cut out a slice, and that will be for my breakfast. Yes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. This is my freshly made chicken omelet, Winston Gel style. Alright, so I hope you enjoy the view, and I'm going to enjoy the scrumptiously delightful, delicious taste of this nicely, wonderful made, yes, chicken omelet here today in my cooking lab. Thank you. See you on another wonderful, awesome cooking adventure. Take care. That's the chicken omelet.